Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update. So the Bharat Electronics Limited India, that is BEL. So BEL is hiring for two positions. So we shall see the job details and everything for both of these roles. So the roles they are hiring, the first role it is project engineer 1 and the second one is engineering assistant trainee or technician C or junior assistant. So they are hiring for multiple posts. So we shall see the eligibility criteria and everything for both of these roles. So the first role, that is project engineer 1, and the job type, so it's a government job, and the salary or the CTC, so 40 to 55k, 55,000, and then the work location is Ghaziabad, and the total number of posts, so it is 20, and the last date to apply for this role, it is 28 June 2024. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this, like BU or BTech graduates with 4 years and either in computer science or from a recognized university or institution or college, and you must have scored 55% or above, that is for general, EWS or OBC candidates, and for SC or ST or PWBD candidates, like you need to have the passing marks to apply for this role. And the experience needed, so 2 years of experience is needed to apply, and the age limit for this is up to 32 years. So then coming to the eligibility disciplines, like so these are the different branches which are eligible to apply. So the computer science, information technology, information science, and computer science engineering in information security or computer application or cyber security, then computer networking and cyber security. So these are the various disciplines which are eligible to apply for this role. So coming to the salary details, like first year you'll be getting around 40,000, and the second year, so every month you'll be getting 45k, and the third year, so it will be 50, and the fourth year it will be 55,000. And apart from that, like there is additional benefits, like the candidates who will be posted to various sites and for customer location, so they will be paid extra 12,000 towards insurance premium as well as attire allowance. So these are the benefits for this. So then coming to the number of vacancies for this position, that is project engineer 1, so 20 positions are available, and that too it's divided into 4 categories. For UR it is 10 posts, for OBC it will be 7, and for EWS it will be 1, as well as for ST it will be 2. And then coming to the application fees, so for the general or OBC or EWS candidates, so the application fees it will be 400 plus 18% GST, which will be 472, and for SC or ST, so it will be 0, like there is no application fees for them. And the mode of payment, so it will be online. So then coming to the skills which are required to apply for this role, so the programming skills, like you need to be strong in either C++ programming, Java or Python programming, and you need to have knowledge on software testing and software documentation. So these are the skills which are mentioned for this particular role. So then coming to the selection process, so there will be 2 rounds. So the first round it will be written test, and the second will be the interview. So 85% of marks it will be allotted for the written test, as well as 15% of marks will be allotted for the interview. And also, like, you will be shortlisted based on your performance in the written test and based on the merit as well as the category and the discipline. So this is the complete selection process. And then coming to the second position, that is either, so within second position they are hiring for engineering assistant trainee or technician C or junior assistant, and the job type it's AP government jobs, and the salary it will be 21,500 to 90,000, and the number of posts, so 32 posts are available, and the work location is Hyderabad, and the last date to apply for this is 11 July 2024. So then coming to the eligibility criteria, so the qualification needed, it is for 10th graduates, BCom, BBM or diploma or ITI, and experience, so it is for freshers, and the age limit, so as on 1st June 2024 it should be 28 years. So then, so they are hiring for three different roles. The first one, it will be engineering assistant trainee, that is EAT, and the eligibility criteria is that you should have done electronics and communication with 3 years of diploma in engineering from a recognized institution. And the second one, that is technician C, so either electronics or mechanics or electrical background, that is you should have completed SSLC plus ITI plus 1 year, so 1 year or 1 year of apprenticeship, or SSLC plus 3 years of national, like you need to have the apprenticeship certificate course. And the third one, that is junior assistant, for this, so you should have done either BCom or BBM, that is 3 years of course from the recognized institution or university. So this is the complete eligibility criteria for all of these three categories. So then coming to the salary details for the engineering assistant trainee, so the salary it will be 24,500 to 90,000, and for technician C or junior assistant it will be 21,500 to 82,000. So the number of vacancies, so it will be 32 posts, and for engineering assistant trainee there will be 12 posts which will be allocated, and further it is divided into multiple posts. And for the technician C, 17 posts are allocated, and for the junior assistant, so 3 posts are allocated. So coming to the selection process, so the first round it will be the written test, and so the written test, the marks it will be 150 marks. So it will be divided into two parts. So the part 1, it will be general awareness, which includes 50 marks, and it mainly comprises of general mental ability as well as aptitude, logical reasoning, analytical, and the comprehension ability, and there will be data interpretation related questions and few general knowledge questions. So this will be included in the part 1, and the number of marks allocated for this is 50 marks. And the second one, that is part 2, in that there will be technical as well as the aptitude. So the marks allocated is 100 marks, and so there will be technical questions as well as few aptitude related questions. So some theoretical questions and everything. So theoretical MCQ questions will be there, technical MCQ. So this is the selection process for all of these three categories. So coming to the application fees for the general or OBC or EWS candidate, so it will be 250 plus 18% GST, and for SC or ST, so it will be 0 fees. So then like to apply for this, you need to submit the proof, like you need to submit the proof of documents, your SSLC marks card, everything. So the complete details it will be provided in the PDF. You can just go through that and you can apply for any of these roles accordingly based on your eligible, based on your criteria and everything. So the link for all of these job roles, so it will be provided in the description, and also the PDF document like how to apply and everything. So you can just go through that and apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.